everyone, welcome to today's English lesson. Are you ready to learn? Let's talk about a super important part of English: am, is, and are. These little words help us ask questions correctly. So stick around till the end for a fun quiz. Let's go. Okay, so first things first. What are am, is, and are used for? Hmm, We use them in questions to talk about people, things, and places. Here are some examples. What is your name? Are you a teacher? How old are you? See? Super simple, right? Let's break it down further. Now let's learn how to form questions. It's easy. Just switch the word order like this. I am. Am I? She is. Is she? They are. Are they? So instead of saying, you are a student, we ask, are you a student? Can you please try it with me? Can you say, are you a student? Now let's use different names. Watch this. Lisa is 22. How old is Lisa? Tom is from Canada. Where is Tom from? They are your parents. Are they your parents? Now, try making your own questions in the comment. Come on, you can do it. Now, let's talk about short answers. Instead of saying the full sentence, we keep it short like this. Are you happy? Yes, I am. Is she your teacher? No, she isn't. Are they your friends? Yes, they are. It sounds more natural, right? Now let's practice together. Repeat after me. Are you happy? Yes, I am. Please repeat. Is she your teacher? No, she isn't. Are they your friends? Yes, they are. All right, great job. Practice time. Time for a quick quiz. Fill in the blanks. Blank, I your friend. Blank, she your sister. Blank, they from Australia. Please drop your answers in the comments. Let's see who gets them all correct. Awesome job, everyone. Today, we learned how to form questions with am, is, and are. Remember, change the word order to form a question. Use short answers for yes or no questions. And practice makes perfect. All right. So if you found this lesson helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you don't miss the next lesson. See you next time.